5 minutes finishing if it could finish like that. Let's see here. Alright, there we go. Alright, so we're seeing a little bit of a rejection here. Let's see if we can fall off more. So I'm down about 300 bucks for the day. Right now we're up about 290, 280 right now. We have $10 a pip in here. So yeah, let's kind of see if it gives us an opportunity right now. Okay, it's still coming down a little bit. Let's go. Alright, so we're in it. Let's see if it can keep going. Alright, let's see. I'm going to move my stops to break even. So this is going to be key right here for us. Right here on the EMA, right? We know it's coming to the EMA right now. So I think I'm going to take some profit right now just because I know that there's a chance that it could push up and we could be doing counter trend, right? So what's knowing that this could be a counter trend trade, it might not even make it down here, right? We might see it blow past this, or I'm sorry, respect this, and just continue to create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So, and you can see it already respecting it, right? That's what we didn't want. We want it to blow past this right here. Let's see, too much respect still. Has to break through it, right? And then once you get through it, now you're talking about having these areas as support, right? As you can see, it was used as resistance. So you can see how these areas are already being used as support right here, right? Two times. Now we just need it to blow through here, but it doesn't look like it wants to. I'm moving my stops to break even. I would recommend you guys to do the same. So you guys could, if it doesn't reject right here, or if it rejects again right here, I think for sure I'm taking profit, but I know that this area, this line that I drew out, was used as resistance here, right? This is what kind of helped propel the trade down. Once this area was formed, you can see it was support, support, and then once price break through here, started using it as resistance, right? So hopefully we can see the same thing going on here. Just got to break through though. Any respect is still respect, right? So even if it finishes like this, it's still respect shown, and it could still, the next candle could just blow up on us. That's not going to help us either. So let's see if get a strong finish through here. It's not that strong, right? So this one could just completely blow up on us. It's 3 candles showing respect. I'd advise you, if you guys have the trade in, just to pull your profit, some profit, not all of it. I haven't pulled any yet. Let's see. This is going to be the moment of truth, because if it doesn't break through here, then we know that it's getting a little bit too much respect, right? So it's either it breaks through it, and we're able to capitalize. And I think if it does break through it, it's 20 seconds left, right? Then we have 6 o'clock, so we can see a big push here. I think it's important it breaks through it. If it does, we could take profit here at this level, here at this IOC. But it's not breaking through it, right? It's not what I'm seeing here. Look, let me pull a little bit. See that? Still showing a lot of respect there, right? Come on. Still respecting it, right? That's exactly what I'm talking about. So at this point, just be careful. You know what I mean? Like I, I don't know. It's kind of crazy because we're at this level, right? So it doesn't have to come down, right? Obviously, we've been creating higher highs and higher lows, so we could see the same thing happen right here, and you can see what it's doing right here off the EMA. Gave a little fake out. So this is the moment of truth, right? That same area right here. If it keeps showing respect here, it's gonna break through here, which it looks like it's already gonna do. So for me, uh, it's pushing up. The news is good. It's crazy because I want to put in buys, but when we're so close to these sell-off areas, I'm still so bearish in my mind, I guess, that I just can't fathom putting in a buy right here. Even though I know it's a buy possibility, right? We clearly have a support to resistance right here. We clearly have EMAs inside of it. And we're clearly in an uptrend, right? We clearly got rejections here. So for me, I think I gotta just exit this trade. Um, it looks like it's headed up on us. Even though the reason I took this out was because of this area. We got a daily, we got the ILC that we ate from yesterday, we got the 1 hour EMA, 50 EMA right here. So that's why I took the trade. Um, it's just should have been profits. So down here, I could have took half my profits, which I was up about 400 bucks, 40 pips. I think I was up like 440, so I could have closed 220, right? Right now, total, I have 220 on the board. So that's what sucks about it. Like for me, I'm not even gonna close it no more. That's how stubborn I get sometimes. But I do have my stops at break even. So if I'm wrong, I am wrong. So we'll see what happens right now. Hoping we could get a fall off right here, right? Just respect to this IOC, come down. I mean, I like that, but it's pretty early in the clock. And yeah, I just like to see it push down. I like that. But doesn't mean shit if it keeps respecting this EMA, right? This is a good candle. I'd like to see it finish down here though, right? Because we know that this is a bit of resistance, right? Resistance, 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 support, right? On top of the EMA. So I like for it to finish down like that. That's a good finish. Now we need the next one to finish through. If we have the next one finished through, we're in business like a motherfucker. So let's see. Let's see. Still at that moment of truth, right? If it doesn't break through here, ugh, I'll probably be pissed. And it looks like it's still showing respect to the EMA. Clear respect. Damn. See if it can blow past this motherfucker though, man. we're at 45 pips right now, but it's still not breaking it, right? See how this 5 minute finished? So we got an engulfing double tweezer top right here, right? Oh shit, we actually got 3 rejections out of the supply block or the man block, whatever the fuck it is. And then we have, right, rejection off of the EMA, the daily. We're up about 41 pips right now. I think we could see it come down, but still respecting it, right? Which I don't like. Still, so this could come up on us. I think I'm gonna pull some prop, like it just like that. Damn. Like if it matches it or is greater than it, a bullish engulfing candle, even like this, you got 15 seconds left. So if it finishes like this, it can stack up and just keep going and going and going, right? And then we still got about 25 minutes till open. It's not looking good. That's too much respect to this resistance to EMA area right here, right? Resistance, resistance, port, EMA. Now it's stacking, right? So now I could just blow past this, especially because it's double tapped this. Now that it's double tapped it, I'm kind of like, shit. Let's see, because we're still under this little line right here, right? Stops are at break even. Let's see what price gives us. Come on, break through this shit, dog. Yeah, I'm still not breaking it. 4 seconds left. And it's still respecting it, right? Man. And now look at it. Just like that. That sucks. It could be coming up on us, so 'Wow, that shit's pushing up on us. Damn. Should have just pulled it, made that money, been up. Then at 6 o'clock, maybe get another entry, but it is what it is. See how this finishes. 15-minute finish, pretty gravy. But it looks pretty fucking bullish. Big rejection off the 5-minute 50 EMA and the 4-hour. Big push up. I could just be totally wrong and price be pushing up, especially with the good news that we got today. Bunch of good news, right? So I think NFP is the biggest one. Five minutes about to finish, pretty fucking engulfing, right? Taking out the last 2 candles, which I don't like, but hopefully over the next 5 minutes we can see this thing fall. But it's tough to for this next 15-minute candle to finish bearish if this one finishes so engulfing, right? So let's see. Man, this thing's just climbing up on us. So that same area that we were kind of hoping it'd be used as resistance, broken through it, right? This is what gave me the confidence, was it blowing back past here, right? So I thought we had a chance to blow in and break through it, but now you can see what's happening. So let's see, right here's the moment of truth. See, looks like it's ready to get up out of here. Damn. Come on. Come on, come on. Man, this was the area to pull some profit from, but I'm still holding my trade. I said, fuck it. Whatever happens, happens. Um, I actually added a position, so I mean, doesn't have to respect it. You can see it's on top of the EMA now, so it can still get up out of here, but hopefully it blows through this and falls the fuck off. See right now. Damn, that shit might be out of here. Holy suffering suffer tax. Well, let's see. We got the daily right here that hopefully holds up, but if it doesn't, then it is what it is. I'll pull half my position right now, and I'll pull another half in, well, I'll pull the rest at the next area up top. So, where my SL's at. It's up on that area, huh? Try to see if this holds up. If it doesn't, I'm out this bitch. And there's so much momentum to the upside though, especially with the news. I mean, let's see. I'm kind of waiting for 6:30 to come around, just because I know there's a chance that sellers can come in at 6:30. So let's see. The weekly is pretty fucking. Ooh, that's what it went off of. If I would have seen this, I would have definitely took this fucking buy right here. Look at that shit. Sorry. Rejection right off the weekly 50 EMA in the supply area. Don't get much better than that, right? Still showing some respect here, right? But still pretty. It still has a lot of momentum to the upside. So let's see. 6:30 so far away. Man, I don't like I don't like that push right there. See if it can fall off. That's what we really need is a fall off. Let's go. Murder rate increasing when I snap, homie. We take y'all up and double back, homie. Open trust deposit. Open trust accounts deposit racks, homie. $1 million life insurance on my flesh, homie. Beamers, bands, Bentleys, or relax, homie. Ferraris and Lambos, that's what's next, homie. But ain't nothing like you fucking rap. Yeah, I think I gotta get up out of this trade. I'm looking at the ADX, right, and we can see where it's headed, right? It's pretty fucking bullish. Even though I'm told not to do it on this level, we should be doing it here. You can see how it's starting to cross over now. Still pretty fucking bearish. I mean bullish, right? Let me just looking at it. Yeah, damn. Come on. Let's fall. I look at this, I feel like this is a good area for price. It's a lower high. I feel like this is a good area for it to fall off of, right? And break below here. Doesn't have to, but I feel like it's a good area to do that. Come on. Getting a little fall off right here. Come on, man. See how it's kind of using this area as support now. 20 EMA. Like I said, it could just higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It could be a higher low right here, right? The only thing I'm waiting on is New York Open. That's really gonna tell us if what I want is here or not, right? Good morning. Good morning, dude. Good morning, my love. $6.30 is about 3 minutes away. I honestly think I'm gonna have to get out of this trade. We could see what price is doing here, higher highs and higher lows. I think we could expect more of the same. I'm gonna have to just take my L on the chin. I do want to wait, right? I do, but I just think that I just think that price is a little too bullish for me, and I think I'm fighting something that I shouldn't be fighting, right? Like this is great right here, right? But it still hasn't broken. It's just like price didn't break this CMA, not breaking this CMA. So for me, I'm like, shit. Um, so yeah, you can see how it's turning bullish on us right now.
What? Okay.
Yeah, that's my phone.
Hey.
Oh, excited. Had a farm. Hey, cheese. What's up, dude? Who's that? Who's that? That Daddy and Silas? That Daddy and Silas? See my phone? Thank you. Alright. We can see price kind of pushing right now. I closed one of my positions. I had an added position in there. I just closed it because I know that price can blow past this right now, right? And it kind of looks like it will. But like I said, the only reason I'm holding up is because of this black line, the sell-off ILC, but I could be completely wrong, right? So let's see what it gives us here. I'm probably gonna just keep it at 25 pips if I'm just being honest. So let's see. Damn, looks like it's out of here. All right, let's see. Damn, was not expecting that before 6:30. Well, you could see how that went. Jesus. So I could assume it's probably going up from here, right? If you guys wanted to know. I think it's going up. Sheesh. Let's see something. I know it didn't. No, it didn't go down. Damn, I can't believe it blew past it like that. That's crazy. See how it reacts up here. So push. That's honestly
I'll
beautiful right there, right? Honestly, it is. It's just beautiful. For me, it's just hard for me to put in buys right here. Anywhere up here, it's hard for me to put buys in. I'm just being honest. You know what I mean? Like, maybe that's my stubbornness, but like for me, it's like there's no way I could put a buy in right here at this area, right? Like, there's just no way. So, it is what it is. Take the L on the chin. Can't win them all. Thug life, baby. See, my uncle was listening to me. He put buys in, and yeah, he's up big right now. Oh, big silence. How that fine. Hey, what'd you do? You don't know? What'd you do?
Yeah. 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 That's right. Be I'll try. I'll take it. Take it.
Hey, what are you touching? Stop touching stuff.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Boom. Boom.
Boop, 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 boop. What? How are you controlling it from right there? Oh, it's no.
Yeah. Season 3, how we did. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Good morning, Victor. Student of the month. Student of the month. Student of the month. Month. Zoe. That is so good. My daughter got student of the month. When it's time to be there. When it's time to be there.
Eh.
Student of the month. Student of the month.
Hey.
Student of the month. Month.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, hey, hey,
Hey.
hey, 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 hey. Whoa. Where's Zoe? Where's Zoe? Where's Zoe go? Good morning. Student of the month. Student of the month. Student of the month.
Then that's when you're like, good morning. And you're like, student of the month, student of the month, student of the month. So what time? Daddy's up.
Why are you guys up so early?
Because I was excited.
Student of the month. Student of the month.
When's
Student of the month.
when's the assembly today?
The assembly?
What time?
It's at Hakuna Matata Matina Matu. Alright, let's get off. Alright, fellas, peeps. I took my L, gonna take it on the chin. Hope you guys are able to have a good one today. Looks like price just blew past everything. So yeah, let's see what happens now. Everything was good. News was great to end the week. So let's see if there's a better shot of us actually, getting through this. So, oh Zoe.
Can they hear me?
Yeah. Oh Zoe. Yeah, that was the trade right there. It's just hard for me to put these trades in. But you know what? Before I get off, yeah, this is a buy setup. This is a this right here. What is it called? An ascending triangle. That's what this is. An ascending triangle right here, right? Boom. That's what I was missing. Yeah, I'm guessing that's what this is, an ascending triangle. Damn, look at that shit fly. Yeah, I shouldn't have been so stubborn with my trade. I should have put in the buy, but it is what it is at this point. Um, just what happened. Yeah, ascending triangle is what the move was right here. A bilateral pattern. So this is my handy dandy notebook. As you can see, whoops. You can see that ascending triangle. It's a bilateral pattern. Let's go. Hey, it just hit that 4-hour R2S.
So what does that mean?
Shit out. I mean, you could leave it in there, but that's probably where I would pull my trade. But who knows, dog? The news was great today, so that shit just might keep flying up.
Yeah, that is true. It
But
was
yeah,
really good today.
yeah, fucking unemployment was down, NFP was up, jobs were up, pay was up, everything was up. That's crazy. It's getting a big ass push up right now. I think it can make it maybe another 60 pips, maybe. But yeah, just be careful because it's an R2S that it's breaking through right now.
For a sell-off?
I mean, I wouldn't sell off. I'm done for the day, but yeah, I think it could go like another 60 pips before it starts maybe doing like a little, higher low, coming down a little bit. Fu, how did you lose 400 with .02s?
It just be like that sometimes. But I made $237 on my trade back.
Oh, that's good.
And yeah, so
How much are you up on this one?
I pulled everything.
Oh, you pulled everything?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, all right. Look it yeah, no, that's good. See, that's what I'm saying though. Like, if you like that's what the game is, dog. Is minimizing your losses. That's why I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna keep it at 300, dog. Like that's just what it is. Like, I'm not sure. It looks pretty bullish to me, but it's hard for me to put in buys at these areas. So I'm like, I'm gonna just stay away. You know?
I just said fuck it. I'm like, fuck it. Put in a buy.
I mean, and now that I never really seen this pattern before, but it's called an ascending triangle. That's what this pattern was before it got to this area. Then at 5:30, it using the resistance from the ascending. Hold on, let me FaceTime you so you can see it. Look it. So here's the ascending triangle, right? And this is a bilateral shit. So if it broke, so this probably got a bunch of people right here. Because if you look at my book here, my handy dandy notebook, look at this shit. What is it? A fucking ascending triangle, right? Or I guess, yeah, an ascending triangle. So you have that triangle right there, and once it breaks the top, then you have your target up top if it breaks below. So you can see here it broke below real quick, right? Probably got all these people once it broke below, then came back up. Once it used this at 5:30, I should have known it was a buy because it used the 4 hour as the support area of the ascending triangle, right? That's what it used for the entry, and that's what you should have got in at, and then taken this shit all the way up.
Mm,
So that was the signal right here. Is this rejection? That was the signal. So once you seen that this resistance right here get used as support,
triangle.
yep, on the triangle. Once the resistance got hit, came down, used it as support, you would have got in, let's say, right here, and then you would have been stops just below, so like 60 pips, and then taking this shit up. You'd have been up 285 pips. That was the trade right there. But fuck it. It is what it is.
230, so I caught 115 pips.
Yeah, shit, that's smooth, dog. But that's what I'm saying with those .02s, you lost more than what 200 pips on those .02s.
Yeah.
See, that you got to minimize that shit because it's not just $400. You got to look at the pips. Like, all right, at most of these pros, $100, 100 pip stop loss with the US30 and the NAS. Well, really
Yeah.
just the US30. NAS, you could have like 30 pip, 50 pip stop losses, but US30, it's usually like 100 pip stop losses. So if you hit 200, you should just call it right there. Like, fuck it. That's really wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I got you.
Cause me, I lost $300 with the point one with $10 a pip.
Damn.
And that was just me like, fuck it, I think it's going up. Let me not be stubborn. Let me just get out of it right now while I still can. Because imagine if I would have left that shit in there being stubborn, I would have blew my whole account.
Yeah, that's true. So right now, see it.
I mean, honestly, I don't see shit. Like here, it's in this level, so you can see this little level right here. This is where it's kind of where you can see respect shown. This is a previous ILC that this is where I took my profit at on Wednesday. It was right here, then it pushed back up, and then I didn't catch the trade, but this is where it fell off. So I think this area could be a good area to sell off from, but I'm gonna just stay away because there's so much. You can see the ADX right now. So remember when I showed you this shit, when it's red up top and black up top, that means it's a strong bull trend or bear trend. Now look at the green and the blacks up there, so now it's a strong buy trend. So what we'll probably see here is maybe like a little fall off to like this level and then a push up. Or not even that. You can see it's still kind of pushing up. So I wouldn't put in no sales though, that's for damn sure.
I'm just gonna get off.
Yeah, just get. I'm gonna get off too. I'm done. I'm not fucking. I'm out for the day. So I'll do my trade journal later. Just call it.
Alright, fuck it.
All right then,
What time
Holmes.
you gonna get to the shop?
Probably right after I drop off Zoe, so like at 9.
Alright.
All right, later. Good morning. All right. I'm up out of here, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have yourselves a good one.